Good morning everyone. We have read the story of a little fish in the last class and today we are going to do its question answers. Okay, so let's see our question answer. So our first question is, how many fish are there in the sea? You know, there are many seas in the world and there are many millions of fish in the sea. So what we will write as the answer, that there are millions of fish in the sea. Okay, what is our question? How many fish are there in the sea? There are millions of fish in the sea. So let us write the answer. There are millions of fish in the sea. Okay, there are millions of fish in the sea. Do you know what is a million? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs and I am talking about many millions here. Okay, so there are many millions of fish in the sea. So now you can guess the number of the fish. Okay, so let's see our next question. Question number 2. Why was the little fish unhappy? So can you tell me why was the little fish unhappy? Because it was very small. Yes, because of his very small size, he was very unhappy. So what is our answer of this question? Why was the little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. Okay, so let us write the answer. The little fish was unhappy. You know na, he was unhappy and he was unhappy because he was very small. Because of his very small size, he was unhappy. Okay, so let us revise both questions again, then we will move on to the next question. Okay, first question, how many fish are there in the sea? There are millions of fish in the sea. Okay, plural of fish is also fish, not fishes. Okay, next question, why was the little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was very small, because he was having a very small size, right? So let us understand question number 3. We'll see what is question number 3. So let's read out question number 3. What happened to the fish one day? We know that fish was very small and it was unhappy because of his small size. So what happened to the fish one day? एक दिन फिश को क्या हुआ, अचानक से क्या हुआ था सी में? One day, we'll write, one day he was caught. Caught means, I told you the meaning of caught now. He was caught into a mesh of a fish net. Okay, he was caught into a mesh of a net. Okay, what happened to the fish one day? One day he was caught into a mesh of net. Okay, वो एक नेट के अंदर फंस गया था, but because of his very small size, he was able to escape from that net. Okay, so that was our story and that is also the answer of fourth question. Let's see what is our question number 4. Let's read question number 4. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? You know, the little fish was very unhappy because he was very small, but at the end of the story he was thankful that he was very small. Why so? Why he was thankful now? So what is the answer of this question? The little fish was thankful because of his small size, he was able to escape from the net. Yes, he was very small, that's why he was able to escape from the net. That's why he was thankful. So we will write the answer to this question. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? So what will be the answer? The fish was thankful. The fish was thankful because of his small size only. Because of his small size only, he was able to escape from the net. Okay? Because of his small size only, he was able to escape from the net. Okay? Let's revise both these questions again. What happened to the fish one day? One day he was caught into a mesh of net. Okay? Question number 4. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful at the end of the story because of his small size only. He was able to escape from the net. Okay? So these question answers, these 4 question answers you have to write in your notebook, and you will also learn these question answers. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you all.